Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1598, that is crawler log folder, and in this the LeetCode file system keeps a log each time some user performs a change folder operation. Okay, and the operations are described as follows. These are the certain like standard OS operations which we know, which is two dots and then backslash. We'll be moving to the parent folder, and if we are in the main folder we'll remain in the same folder. Okay, and if it's just a dot and slash, that means you have to remain in the same folder. Otherwise, if it's x and then backslash, you have to move to the folder named x, and this is a guarantee that the folder always exists. Okay, we'll be given the list of string logs, where logs I is the operation performed by the user at the I step, and the file system starts in the main folder, then the operation and the logs are performed. And we have to return the minimum number of operations needed to go back to the main folder after changing the change folder operation. Okay, so okay, so for in the first example, we are in the main folder, and then we'll go to the D1 folder, and from we are moving to the D2 folder. And then it's a double dot and backslash. We'll be moving back to the D1 folder. Then we are moving into D2 one folder, and then it's just single dot and slash. It means we'll be remaining in the same folder. So if I'll just zoom it, the folder structure will look like this, and to move to the main folder, we'll be just requiring two steps. Okay, so this is what we have to return, and the answer is 2. Okay, so for this what I'll be doing is I'll be using a stack. So stack of strings, let's call it a stack, that is equal to hmm, new stack. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be traversing in the string of log, if string of log in logs. Okay, what I'll be checking is that if like log dot equals by this. Okay, that's a double dot and then a backslash, and that means I have to pop it off from the folder. So here I'll be checking that if not stack dot is empty, I'll be like popping it off from the stack, sta dot pop. Okay, else if not, my log dot equals the single dot and a backslash. In that case, I'll be pushing it to the stack dot push log. Okay, and then I'll be just returning the stack dot size. That will be my answer to go back to the main folder. And now let's give it a run, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it, and works fully fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.